Missouri Valley, Iowa, and I'm on the hunt for some abandoned cars. I was driving by here and I remembered that I'd seen them a long time ago. Abandoned cars are really awesome because they have texture, they have some amazing colors, they're fun to shoot close and wide. You can do all kinds of amazing stuff. And once again, I'm stopping too many times, but that's okay. Found this really amazing spot here. We got some nice gentle hills and the coolest sky ever, which is incredible. The only thing that I'm gonna wait for is for the clouds to hit the sun a little bit and start to put some cool little shadows and stuff on the hills over there. So I've got the 24 to 70 on a Sony A7 IV, and we're gonna do some stitching, panoramic stuff, and then just some wide cool stuff. As a photographer, I rush too much. On days like today, I just want to take a ton of photos in every spot and then find a new spot. One of the things I decided that I'm going to add to my 2022 like kind of resolutions, like I know it's March, but you can add resolutions all year long, right? Is I want to slow down a little bit and really enjoy the landscape around me and kind of be there more and not rush through things a little bit more. So me taking a few minutes to even wait for the clouds to cover up part of the land was kind of a big deal. So congratulations to me. And I have a tripod with me, which is insane. All right, I've got the 20 millimeter, and I'm gonna get low and get close to that fence and see what I can do. That's a wrap. So we're headed back home. Hope you liked the photos, my little journey. If you guys want to know more, like tell me like if I'm doing well or not. Like I don't say much about settings and stuff like that. Maybe I should do that. I don't know. Some people are interested in that stuff. So let me know how I can make my videos better. Otherwise, thanks for being along for the ride. You guys rock. I have to turn this off.